Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix people of Note demo game crashing or stuck on loading screen, crashing at startup, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So before you jump to the game, you must ensure that your PC have all the required specs. So what you need to do is search for the game in Steam. After that, go below, and from here you will find the system requirement to play the game, minimum as well as recommended. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to play the game and check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -tx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, type -d3d11 and then check if the game is opening now. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. The next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, simply here is the game application. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. It may take some time, wait for it. After that, try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next method is to delete saved game folder. So what you need to do is just go to your name folder, go to the file explorer first, go to the users folder, click on your name folder. After that, here you have to open app data folder. So if you cannot get the app data folder, click on view, click on show and click on hidden items. So this will show you the app data folder. Open this, click on local and here search for the game folder. So search for the game folder over here. Here is the game folder, open it and here is the saved game folder. So what you need to do is just you have to create a backup. So you simply need to copy this and paste it on your desktop, and after that right click on it and click on delete. After deleting the saved game folder, now launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem and the game is launching or not. If not, next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you're suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options as it is shown over here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as you can see in the image. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now under Processes tab, you are suggested to check those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it. After that, right click on it and click on End Task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for Device Manager. Here, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. After the Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it, and after opening it, you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After it gets set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC, and after your PC restarts, log into the game and check if the game is opening now. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program as well as firewall. So first you have to go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. After that, click on virus and threat protection. Now after that, go below. Here you have to click on virus and threat protection. After that, go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After this, go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now here you have to click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings, and after that click on OK, and then try to launch the game and check. But later on again come back and make sure to enable this. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, select the game application, add over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall People of Note demo game. For that, go to the Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch Steam and again reinstall People of Note game, and after that click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix People of Note demo game crashing in startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.